flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. The following events are expected. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Preston, Chatfield, Spring Valley, Lanesboro, Wyckoff, Fountain, Fillmore, Washington, Cherry Grove, Bristol, York, Pilot Mound, Red Carolina, Ostrander, Chester, Forest Hill State Park, Greeley, Epcot, and Infamous. Home Travel encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Being especially cautious at night time it's harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. for the following county: Fillmore, Minnesota. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 9:30 early this morning for Norwood County. At 1:40.